So if you're working with remote Linux graphical apps, you're probably all too familiar with SSH and X11 forwarding. It's the default, right? But what if I told you there's a way better option out there? Let's talk about the ThinLinc Advantage. You need to fire up a GUI on a remote machine. You do the usual SSH X, and then you wait. Your whole workflow just stops. So let's get into that familiar struggle. The X11 protocol is old. It was never built for the kind of networks we have today. The biggest problem is that it's super chatty. Every little thing you do, a click, dragging a window, anything, sends a message to the server and waits for a reply. What happens if your Wi-Fi hiccups for just a second? Poof, your entire session is gone. All that work you didn't save, vanished. On top of that, you can forget about getting any audio to work properly. And if you need to manage sessions for a whole team, it's just not built for it. But okay, let's talk about the solution, the ThinLinc Advantage.
So, what is ThinLinc?
Well, think of it as a modern terminal server that was built specifically for Linux for today's world. It completely flips the script. Instead of that chatty back and forth nonsense, ThinLinc does all the hard work on the server side. It renders everything there, and then it just sends you a highly compressed, optimized picture of what's happening. Performance over a wide area network? Forget. Agonizingly slow. We're talking highly optimized and actually responsive. Session persistence? Instead of none, you get to resume your session perfectly every time. You get crystal clear audio, real central management with things like load balancing. It's a total game changer. And look, it's not just about speed, even though that's a huge deal. It's about the whole experience. You never lose your work again. Seriously. Your internet could die, your computer could crash, you just reconnect and boom. Everything is exactly where you left it. Every window, every open file. You can even start work on your desktop, then grab your laptop and pick up right where you left off from a coffee shop. You get your entire desktop environment, GNOME, KDE, whatever you use, looking and feeling exactly like it should. You get awesome multimedia support with PulseAudio, so audio actually works. And for you power users, it even supports hardware acceleration with VirtualGL, so you can run demanding 3D applications remotely. Let's talk about how you can try it today. And trust me, this part is pretty great. We're talking the full featured product, free for up to 10 concurrent users. For small teams or home labs, that's absolutely huge. Just head over to sendio.com to grab it.